You remember Chica from the last time? Yes, she's gradually becoming a star at the office. So one day, she's unexpectedly asked to lead a presentation for a regional leadership team.
Hey Chika, can you take the lead for today's regional review? The MD just joined.
With little time to prepare, she turns to Microsoft 365 Copilot, which works within Teams, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Excel to help her find files, draft slides, analyze data, and generate speaker notes.
Here's the Q2 deck you worked on. I've added updated KPI charts from Excel, generated talking points, and drafted your opening slide.
As you'll see, Q2 saw a 17% uptick in delivery speed, thanks to proactive vendor planning.
Chika just took her first step towards smarter work, and Copilot is only getting started. If you've ever felt like your to-do list is running you, not the other way around, this is your sign to take back control. Like, subscribe, and follow Chika's journey. It's just hitting up. Watch out for episode 3, Chika's journey with Microsoft Copilot, where Copilot doesn't just assist, it anticipates. Microsoft 365 Copilot, your daily advantage built into the tools you already use.